What them haters talking about?
What's up, family? As the city of New York and law enforcement comes to grips with what happened on Tuesday morning when a gunman opened fire on a Brooklyn subway, it becomes abundantly clear how much worse it could have been. Law enforcement says that 33 bullets were sprayed from Frank James's 9mm Glock handgun, striking 10 people. Over a dozen other people were treated for injuries. Some suffered from what the police said were smoke devices that were detonated by Frank James in his attack. Now, this area on the subway, on the train, was 750 square feet. We got a guy popping off a Glock, a gun that is made to kill. He's in close proximity. We're talking just feet apart, a few feet apart in many situations. Strike 10 people, not one person is killed. Whoo, man. New York, you dodged the bullet, literally. There will be no memorials outside of the train station. Bears and flowers and all of that type of stuff. We ain't got to worry about that. Not this time. I guess you can chalk it up to fate, fortune. Some might say, you can say maybe the handgun malfunction. Or maybe it was just poor marksmanship. In any event, for nobody to die, that is absolutely amazing. And this, from what I'm understanding, is like one of the biggest, or the biggest mass shooting on a subway in New York's history. I'm kind of surprised because a lot of crazy, mad things go on subways. And if this is the biggest one, it won't be long. It won't be long before it's trumped. Because, you got a lot of followers out there, copycats talking to you right now. Your sick ass watching right now. One of you just looking right now. I bet you're sitting around thinking about who you're going to shoot right now. Got a poor life, ain't got nothing going on, can't get a girl, mad at the world, shooting innocent people. They say this dude has some type of vendetta against black women also. I ain't surprised. I'm not surprised he just have a vendetta against women, period. Have you taken a close look at him? Still wondering. This thing kind of went a little too smoothly, like from the shooting to the capture, to the finding the evidence. Everything is almost seemed like the evidence was just strategically placed. Like, here, okay, we're gonna put a credit card right here. We're gonna put the gun over here. We're gonna put a mask right here. We're gonna put a smoke device over here. We're gonna put the confession right here. Video confession. It just seemed too perfect. It just seemed like it's all like just boxed up and bold too pretty for me. Like, I don't know, fam. I don't know. But man, it is a miracle that nobody died. I mean, not one person died. Beautiful. Beautiful. To all the people that was affected by this, you you got my prayers. You know, I hope that everything turn out right for you. I hope you all make a full recovery. Frank James, your mama should be embarrassed and your daddy should have pulled out. No more talk.
What the haters talking about?